Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shraddha from Infinity PDP, and today I have Archie Vashne from MCA with us. So Archie, I'm going to ask you few questions to you about our course. How long you have been acquainted with our course?
It's been 1 year. 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
Okay. So what changes and transformations you have discovered in yourself from the day you started taking our class till now?
Ma'am, honestly, I would like to say that I was good in academics, but there was a lack of fluency in my English speaking. So I have that now, and this is the biggest change I have till now.
Very well. So what about your anxiety, stage fear, public speaking? Specifically, were we able to help you in those areas?
Yes, ma'am. Infinity Personality Development improves my fluency, confidence, and much more.
Okay. So would you like to share any experience of yours, like while you were attending our class, any event organized by us where you actually discovered that yes, now is the time from where my journey has begun?
There was an event called Tejas organized by Infinity Classes. So I have participated in that event, and the major change in myself is the public speaking, and the confidence built in me was so amazing. So yeah, that was the moment and actually I won that event too. So yeah, that was a moment where I got to know that yeah, I can do anything in this world.
Well, that's really good to hear. So now I'm gonna ask you at the last, what is the biggest takeaway that you're gonna carry with yourself when you go out, when you are prepared to now step into the real world? So what you're going to carry with you from Infinity?
I would like to carry the trainers' confidence, and the physical appearance of the trainers was so attractive for me, and I will grab that from your team.
Yeah, because personality gives
Yes.
the first impression to everyone,
Yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am. Personality matters.
It was really nice talking to you, Archie. So keep rising and keep shining. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.